Are you tired of unreliable outdoor cameras that miss motion or die in cold weather? The AOSU SolarCam P1 SE system promises to end your home security headaches with solar power, AI detection, and ultra-clear 2K resolution. But does it live up to the hype? Or is it just another over-promised, under-delivered gadget? Stay tuned, because we put this camera through wind, rain, and Wi-Fi hell to find out if it's worth your hard-earned money. Receipt: AOSU SolarCam Product Overview. The AOSU SolarCam P1 SE system, launched in 2024, is the latest solar-powered security system by AOSU, a rising name in smart home surveillance. Designed for homeowners and renters who want wire-free, maintenance-free security, this camera boasts 2K QHD resolution, 365-day battery life, and smart human detection, all backed by solar charging. AOSU's goal? Compete with giants like Arlo and Eufy, but at a more affordable price. With its weatherproof design and local storage option, it's crafted for U.S. consumers. Rocket: AOSU SolarCam Performance. We tested the AOSU SolarCam P1 SE over 30 days across various conditions: rain, direct sun, cloudy days, and even a few nights below freezing. Surprisingly, the solar panel kept the battery charged above 85% the entire time, even during multiple cloudy days. Motion detection was responsive and accurate thanks to its PIR plus AI algorithm that distinguishes between humans and swaying tree branches. Notifications to the AOSU app were near instant on both Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and mesh networks. The 2K video quality holds up in daylight and is surprisingly decent in low light, although it switches to black and white infrared at night. Lag was minimal when live streaming, though we noticed a 2 to 3 second delay on remote playback via cellular. Overall, for a system under $200 with no monthly fees, the performance punches well above its weight, especially when compared to competitors like the Blink Outdoor 4 or even some entry-level Arlo models. Gear, features, and tech. 2K QHD resolution with wide-angle lens. The AOSU SolarCam P1 SE captures video at 2304 by 1296 pixels, giving you 1.5 times more clarity than standard 1080p models. The 166-degree field of view covers driveways, porches, or backyards without blind spots. AI human detection plus PIR motion sensor. Say goodbye to false alerts. This combo ensures you only get notifications when a real person enters the frame, not your neighbor's cat. This reduces alert fatigue and saves storage. 365-day battery plus solar charging. The built-in rechargeable battery paired with a high-efficiency solar panel gives you year-round operation with zero charging hassle. No ladders, no cables. Tools, design and build. The AOSU SolarCam P1 SE boasts a sleek, matte white finish with black accents around the lens and solar panel. The entire unit feels solid and premium, made from durable polycarbonate plastic that's IP65 weatherproof. The compact size, around 6 by 2.5 inches, means it doesn't look bulky or intrusive on your home's exterior. We particularly like the magnetic mount, which allows for easy adjustments without tools. Even in heavy wind and rain, the mount remains secure. The design strikes a balance between form and function, fitting seamlessly into both modern and traditional home styles. Checkmark. Pros: crystal clear 2K resolution with wide-angle view. No monthly fees thanks to built-in local storage. Truly wire-free solar-powered operation. Crossmark. Cons: no support for 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which may limit speed in dual-band networks. Night vision lacks color, relying on standard IR black and white imaging. Brain. Final verdict: if you're looking for a reliable, subscription-free outdoor security solution, the AOSU SolarCam P1 SE is a strong contender. It's perfect for homeowners, Airbnb hosts, and renters who want clear footage, minimal maintenance, and smart detection without the privacy risks or recurring cloud costs. While it lacks a few premium features like color night vision or dual-band Wi-Fi, it nails the basics and then some. The solar panel works exceptionally well, the 2K video quality is crisp, and installation is a breeze. Bottom line, if you want great security with zero wires, zero fees, and zero stress, the AOSU SolarCam P1 SE is one of the best values under $200 right now. This is more than just a camera. It's peace of mind, powered by the sun.